Hello everybody, this is Mustafa Kamal. Last video I talked about pipeline oriented programming and how make your code as block small block segments, and treat feature as use cases and make code as a state machine. For example, this is login feature consists of multiple use cases. You then you have mental mental map or mental ability to reasoning each smaller single single responsibility code block and can edit it. uh, in this video I will talk about how to get output get the output from programming by this technique. Let's consider you as a business analyst and make feature with list of requirement. You need you need to insight about how is does the programmer make exact requirement, or he is deviated from your description. So by programming by this technique you can get code base as insight meaningful information. Let's try now. By using Roslyn, I can extract the entire feature and use cases from the code base with one click. Just pass the solution pass, and for .NET Core I need MS build bus. If you use any version of Visual Studio, you can set the year. Plus, if you using Community or Enterprise Edition, you can change the bus as the bus for your installed Visual Studio. Let's try now. .NET Core not compatible a lot with Roslyn, not compatible a lot with .NET Core. I will try again. Okay, it's running successfully now. So in your project demo with class account surface, you have login feature consists of these use cases. Use case check if user exists in DB, return if user is soft deleted, and if you in the role of business analyst, you can by one click get the insight about what business including in code base. Also, you can see here this requirement is toggled off, meaning is not active. This is for business analysis rule. So you visualize code base by programming by pipeline with pipeline oriented programming into a JSON object. Each JSON object is meaningful feature with encoded use cases. So what now about if you are a technical lead and want to know what feature exactly need to be need enhancement? So I want to get statics. The matrix I set is about uh, one memory, second execution time. So I will learn this. I got nothing as I didn't run anything yet. So I go to login feature, try one case, email not exist, try second use case, email not exist. Run again, runtime statistics. I get insightful about each use case, memory, and elapsed time. So for check if user exists in DB, it takes around uh, takes around half second. I do actually I do, for DB don't I don't use provider. I used in memory DB. So if I use any provider like SQL Server, MySQL, or Postgres, it will take longer time than in memory DB. Consume the memory at this use case or this block. So if you are a technical lead, you have gained access to run matrices about each use case in feature, so you can spot any use case or any code block need to be enhanced again. If you want to know about uh, if you want to know about what use cases exactly, what feature or what use cases exactly uh, are most used per end user, you can also get insight from this also. So if I run code statics again, login feature has count 12 try, use case of soft delete count 10 try. There is no fail case yet. Oh, I excluded it. I will I will toggle it off. Make it false. Try. If user doesn't have an active role, uh, actually one user do this use case, let's do it a lot. And one success use case. Run statics again, runtime statics again. So I have 14 try of login feature and one success case that user can log in. 14 uh, 14 try, 14 try. One of them check if user can log in. I can also get the exact JSON details. As you see, feature name, first run, correlation ID is about first run, start date, when this happened, and the case of results, if a result consumed memory bytes and lapsed time, again you will get 14 14 use. So how to make this happen? Actually, for runtime, for static time analysis, I used Roslyn. For runtime analysis, I subscribe to methods on before execution and on after execution, and I set my own metric logic inside there. So put this on before execution. I'll make a stop watch and get allocated bytes for current thread. After execution, I get the elapsed time from stopwatch and get allocated bytes after this code block execution, and subtract the two allocated before and after. Also, I storage in static on dictionary my metric and use case. That's all. Thanks.